Hello! Today, I'll show you how to replace the toner cartridge for the Brother HL-HL-11 series. The first sign that you need to refill the toner cartridge is when the LED lights start blinking, as shown in the video. To confirm, go to the Start menu, type Brother Utilities, and open the program. In the window that appears, click on Instruments, and then select Status Monitor. A message will display, indicating that the cartridge needs to be replaced. Start by opening the printer lid and carefully removing the toner cartridge. Press the blue button to detach the toner from its adapter. Before refilling, ensure you have the correct type of laser toner powder for your printer model. Use a cutter or knife to carefully cut the plastic seal on the cartridge lid, and then open it slowly. If you have protective gloves, it's a good idea to wear them to avoid contact with the toner powder. Next, fold a piece of paper to use as a funnel for adding the toner powder. Gradually pour about 50 grams of toner powder into the cartridge. Once the cartridge is full, securely close the lid. To reset the toner cartridge, use a screwdriver to remove the screws and take off the black protective cover, exposing the internal mechanism. Locate the toothed wheel with the locator and adjust its position so that the wheel can rotate freely. This step resets the cartridge to be recognized as new by the printer. Once done, reassemble the cartridge by replacing the cover and screws. Finally, place the refilled and reset cartridge back into the printer. Close the lid and print a test page to ensure everything is working correctly. That's it. You've successfully refilled and reset your Brother printer's toner cartridge. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.